Hello my dear friends, my name is Olivia and you are on my YouTube channel where I am sharing my trading experience. So today I want to take your attention to tell you more about my lovely favorite indicators, and I want to start with KELTNER Channel Indicator. And you have a lot of questions why I prefer to use KELTNER Channel Indicator, what is difference between Bollinger Bands and KELTNER Channel, and what setup I use to make sure to make a big profit with KELTNER Channel. How do I analyze KELTNER Channel? So today I will take a little bit time to tell you shortly but very clearly how to use KELTNER Channel Indicator and what signals it gives you to make your own big profit. So watch video till the end and let's begin. So guys, of course there was a creator of this beautiful lovely channel, and it was a Chester KELTNER. He created this channel to help traders with seeking price and make big profit in 1960. And after that there was two beautiful traders who updated this channel. It was Linda Rashke and one more big trader. So they updated and a little bit changed KELTNER Channel. Nowadays we use a latest version and it works very well, but it's not very famous. I don't know why people not using it a lot, but I love it because I can do all settings manually. I never keep default settings for KELTNER Channel. Now you have attention on my laptop screen and I will show you everything. So friends, as I told you, KELTNER Channel is not very popular, but in the same time, it's a very popular for another traders, and this is popular technical indicator that day by day the trader can use to help assess the current trend and provide trading signals, of course. The channels use volatility and average prices to plot upper, lower, and middle lines. All three of these lines move with the price, creating a channel. So as I told you, it were introduced by Chester KELTNER, but updated by few very nice traders. So channel uses average true range, and if we compare with Bollinger Bands, because everyone compare it with Bollinger Bands, it's like made by same cloth, you know, and Bollinger Bands uses standard deviation. So if you again compare the two, you will realize KELTNER Channel is smoother. Just let's choose this Bollinger Bands indicators and KELTNER Channel, and just right here you can see how smooth their KELTNER Channel. You even can see when Bollinger Bands already went uptrend, the KELTNER Channel slowly and nicely just flowing down or staying in corridor. And of course the middle line of KELTNER Channel is most important. So we put an off Bollinger Bands, and however, the middle line in the KELTNER Channel is an exponential moving average, AMA, and the two outer lines are based on the average true range, ITR, rather than on standard deviation, SD, right? Because the channel is derived from the ITR, which is a volatility indicator itself. The KELTNER Channel also contacts and expands with volatility, but is not as volatility as the Bollinger Bands. The KELTNER Channel help identify overbought and oversold levels relative to a moving average, especially when the trend is flat. It can also provide clues for new trends, friends. Yes, if you read next lessons for Bollinger Bands, you will probably guessing that KELTNER Channel are basically cut from the same clothes like Bollinger Bands and KELTNER Channel. Well, like almost. And let's just say that this formulas yield difference in the price sensitivity and the smoothest of the indicators. So what more interesting? The most commonly used settings are 2 ITR 10 for the upper and lower lines, and AMI I always keep 20, which is the middle line. The middle line is pretty significant since it tends to act as a pullback level during outgoing trends. On uptrend, the price action tends to be continuing in the upper half of the channel, which is between the middle line as support and the top line as resistance. So friends, to understand more, I'll tell you a little bit about signals of KELTNER channel. There is 3 types of signals with KELTNER channel. Just look over here. The trend pullback signals. Yes, the KELTNER channel delivers compelling signals in a trading market. It will quickly indicate whether the trend is up or down. See over here, just price in an uptrend just will mostly hug the upper line. Then be placed when the price pulls back to the middle line. In a downtrend, prices will trade close to the lower line, right? And trade can seek to join aggressively on the direction of the trend when prices retrace to the middle line. Middle line is very important, as I told you before. The second signal of KELTNER channel is overbought and oversold condition. It helps a lot in strategy. So while a break of the upper or lower lines may signal a momentous trend, it is advisable to be wary of overbought or oversold condition. Overbought signal will occur when the price breaks above the upper line but drifts lower to close inside the line as well. You can see it say here. This implies that the price lacked enough momentum to sustain the upward. It will be a signal to seek opportunities to place short sale orders, okay? In other hand, or oversold signal will occur when the price breaks below the lower line but ends up closing inside the channel as the bearish pressure will not be sustained. This will be a signal to seek opportunity to place buy order in the market. And the last third signal is breakout signal, guys, with the KELTNER channel. Delivers powerful breakout signals as login volatility based indicator. Breakout signals are definitive and more qualified. I don't know. Yeah, I can say yes. So ITR here ensure that the KELTNER channel is more effective than volatility rises and as a login indicator. It also ensures that signals are filtered out. The best breakouts to trade are when the KELTNER channel is indicating a sideways trend, going by side. So here what I can show you over there. This implies low volatility in the market. So when volatility rises, a breach of the upper line would indicate a bullish breakout. So the traders can join bullish breakout earlier when there is a pullback to the outside of upper line. Likewise, when a bearish breakout occurs, trader can seek to place aggressive sell orders when the price pulls back to the outside of the lava line, friends. So in a short time I tried to tell you a little bit about KELTNER channel. So if you go more deep for professionals, it will take more time. It's kind of interesting also to take every indicator what I use more deeply and understand how they play together. And I suggest also to use KELTNER channel with another lovely indicators. So next video I will tell you about Bollinger bands and alligator indicator also, which is lovely to trade with special strategies of mine. For today I'm very happy to share with you my one-off indicator, and I hope you will use it rightly to try my settings of KELTNER channel indicator. So I wish you the best. Have a nice day. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.